Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make an insurance claim for car windscreen repair at Allianz. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your browser. Okay, so you can just launch your browser. Right here I'm using Google Chrome. So from any browser of your choice, head over to locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type windscreen repair and replacement at Allianz. And once you do that, it's going to take you right here to this search where you find www.allianz.com.au car insurance. Ensure that you click on the official URL. So go ahead and click on this windscreen repair and replacement car insurance because that's exactly what we are on about. So here you go. So this is the official website, okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of things going on right here. So this is windscreen and replacement. So here you have some words that could help you. I would like to call them resources. Now that could help you with the filing process. So it says your windscreen is more important to your car than you may think, and then it provides up to 30% of your car's structural strength and also supports the airbag. Okay, of course we know that. So do I replace or repair? So read all of that and see how much it costs. And then does insurance cover cracked windscreen? So here read out. Well, that depends on the kind of insurance that you have and any extras you may have added to your policy. So cover for broken windscreen is included as part of some of comprehensive car insurance policies, which is Allianz Comprehensive Car Insurance. So it means Allianz got you covered when it comes to broken car windscreen. And you can definitely file an insurance claim for that. So here is how you can get started to filing this claim. Top right corner, you're going to find contact us and you're going to find this claims button. Go ahead and click on that claims button and it's going to open you up to a window where you can now start the process of making a claim or filing a claim, whatever context you want to use it on. So this is make a claim. So scroll the way down and you have start your claim, and then the first thing here we have is car insurance. You can also click on CTP insurance claim, home insurance claim, business insurance claims, travel insurance claim, life insurance, leisure insurance, work compensation, and so on. But here it's car insurance because we want for car windscreen repairs. So let's say you can choose your repair. So for more information about choice of repair, then refer to the PDS for full details, and then see our repair locator for details of affordable repairs, and then say what you need to get started to file this claim. So details of the incident. I hope you have your details. So such as the date where the damage occurred, any other vehicles involved, and other driver's details such as name, address, and license number if available. Hope you got that. And then supporting documents or images if available. You need to have all of this. I hope you have them. So now it says your car comprehensive. So here are all the things that you can definitely file a claim for. Your car comprehensive or third-party property damage and commercial or fleet. All right. So what do we want? Comprehensive or third-party property damage. Okay, let's see if we can so. Let's say you can start your claim like that because our windscreen got damaged, so we want to file for that. So help us find you. So if you check the top corner, you're going to find the step-by-step processes that you need to go through this process. I don't want to say it's a lot, but read. It's self-explanatory. So here's your details and incident details and damage details and summary. I'd like you to know that you have a lot of questions to answer because there are going to be a lot of blank spaces that you need to fill out because of the questions, the weight of questions that you will need to answer. Well, don't worry. If you have all the details covered, if you're really intentional about this, then you're definitely going to have all the answers to the questions. Trust me. So help us find you. So here, what is your policy type? Is it individual or company? Now, I don't have a policy number, don't have a policy type, and it's going to be an issue for me. But if you do, let's say individual, So here it means you're gonna have to enter your date of birth. I hope you recognize mine. So let's say I'm gonna put the first, and I'm gonna go 993. Email address is gonna be my email address. Hope I'm recognized. This is Mac Amanda CCA at gmail.com. So I'm gonna click next. Okay, postcode. Oh, just a few more details. That's name, Mac. All right, so I'm not gonna have to like spend too much time right here looking for a valid postcode, but just ensure that you have a valid postcode. And once you have a valid postcode, then you'll be eligible to click on enter. And once you click on enter, then you're gonna have to enter these details, or you're gonna have to enter these details, the incident details, and then damage details, and then the summary of it. And then from there, go through all these processes and you'll be able to file your claim. So I'm gonna have to click on back to see where we came from. So I'm going all the way back. So like I said, the process is very easy. So you really need to get a valid postcode. As you can see, the struggles that we had to go through to get a valid postcode, right? Because they were not accepting my own postcode. So the postcode was definitely not recognized because it was not what I used to purchase my policy, and I have not purchased the policy on Allianz. So if you have purchased a policy and in the process you had to enter some kind of postcode or some personal details, you really have to remember them, because that's what you're going to enter in this, and this is what's going to help you through the process of filing your claim. Because if you don't enter the correct one or the correct details, then they're not going to let you go through, just like we experienced. So that is just the process. So you can go over this video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you set.